Hello, friends. My name is Vishal Vardhan, and today we will study loops. It's all our favorite topic, one of the favorite topic, loops. It should be very much strong. Okay, I. It's a live class. It's a live class. You can ask your doubt. Topic today: loops. Topic today, not the better word will be today's topic. Today's topic. Let's connect with me and we will do something bigger. Today's topic, loops. Now you can all connect with me. Wait, first of all, I will see that we are connected correctly or not. Wait, YouTube. Vishal, I'm live, man. Let's connect with me and we will do something bigger. Today's topic, loops. Now you can all connect. So, friend, my way of teaching is different. What is different in this teaching? In this, we will try to understand the things in a very scratch way, or we can say in the very basic way, because everything is to feel that subject. And where the teachers lack, they can't create feelings to the student about that topic. Anything we study, that what we do, we just study like that it's a normal study, but every study is very much interesting. So if you connect with me, I will make your logics very much good, very much better. Okay, why? Because I will teach you like something else, means something else not, but you can feel that. Okay, you can feel that. So let's start the topic. See, today we will start loops. Okay, so inside loops, there are what type of loops are. So first I will take while loop. After that I will take for loop. After that I will take do while loop. There is one more, that is for each loop. For each loop. But we will cover for each loop after array or oops, because it is a part of collection and array framework. Okay, it is very much automated. That we will learn when we have a good command on array and collection framework. Okay, so this is the no, I will not take this topic today. Okay, so let's start. See see as I have told to you that we will learn from the base. Okay, so first of all, we will see that what is actually the loop is. Okay, let's understood this in a very better way. So let's go to the Google and let's search. Okay, let's search what. First, let's go to ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT tells to us, because we don't know what actually the loop is. Okay, we have listened in the real world, but in the case of computer, in the case of programming, what is the actually loop means? So first we will figure out that. Okay, so what is loops? I don't know, man. Just tell me, because you are a very good ChatGPT AI. So tell me. Okay, so here the answer is coming. Let's see these all answers. In programming, loops are control structures. Okay, that's a very good thing, that control structure that allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code. Okay, now we can just execute our block repeatedly. That like that loop is saying, okay, based on a condition. Okay, there is a condition. They are useful for tasks that requires repetition. Okay, there will be repetition, such as processing items in a list, running a specific operation multiple times, or iterating over data. Okay, we will see this all. For now, if you are studying for the first time, then these words are little tough for us. But slowly when we understood what if these loops are, then for these statements, these words become very easy for us. Okay, so let's jump to paint and just figure out, okay, what this loop is. So loop is what? Anything that we are doing repeatedly, like we are sleeping. Okay, so that the thing is we are doing repeatedly, sleeping. Okay, this is at night, every night we do the same thing, sleeping. So it is in a loop. Okay, it is in the loop. Until you are alive you will sleep. That is the condition. There is also one condition. Okay, the condition is that until you are alive, okay, that time, for that time you will just sleep. Okay, just a minute, one message is coming. Okay, so for example this. Okay, second, if you are doing gym, that is also you are doing repeatedly, so it is in a loop. Okay, you are eating, that is also in the loop, because you are repeating the things that is in the real world, that is the loop is. Okay, so what is the difference between the loop which we'll study in our programming and the other one is the real time? There is no difference, but there is one difference. Okay, here the loop having some logics. Okay, having some logics. Without logics there is no need of using loops in the computer. Okay, but yeah, in the real time also there is a logic. There is a logic. What if you not sleep, you will just feel sick, so you have to sleep regularly. Okay, so here is also one logic. What is the logic is that, okay, here is the logic is that you have to sleep. If you will not sleep, you will die or you will get sick. Okay, but here is one difference is that in this computer logic, here you will just put conditions with the values. Okay, here it's the you provide some conditions. Okay, and you will update some values. Okay, here should be the logic little bit like of maths. Okay, here the logic should be little like of maths, and here you can repeat the things. Okay, for example, there are multiple sentence. Okay, this is the first statement of our code, this is the second statement of our code, this is the third statement of our code, like that. Okay, fourth statement, five statement, sixth statement, and see, one of the statement you want to just repeat five times. Okay, so you have selected this statement. Okay, third statement that you want to get repeat that for the three times. So the condition is that, not the condition, but we want that this loop should be just execute for the three times. Okay, so when we coming from the up, from the down, as we all know that our controller of the of our compiler execute from top to bottom. Okay, so first it will come to this statement, it will execute it. Okay, then come to the second statement, it will get execute it. Okay, then it will come to the third statement. Okay, inside third statement we have put one condition. The condition is that you have to execute it for the three times. When it will complete its execution, then it will go to the fourth line. Okay, so this difference will come when we will introduce loops in our coding, in our programming. Okay, so why, that's why we say it as loop, because we here just repeating the things means here we are just we can say that we are providing some condition to repeat our code. Okay, so that the thing is fine. Okay, just if you join me, you can like my videos, like my this videos. You can subscribe me. Okay, you can comment me. Okay, you can comment me, and you can share this video if you like this. Okay, these are all the things you can do. See, till now we just know that yes, one statement we can repeat. See, this is not the only thing. Okay, we can repeat the statements, but we can also solve some problems while doing while just with the help of loops. Okay, we can also provide some logics if there is no logics, so we can't provide that logics inside our loops. Okay, what type of logic? Okay, we can create multiply table. Okay, we can create multiply table. Why? Because here is one logic: multiply table we can create with the help of loops. See here, why we can create multiply table? See, here is the common thing. For example, if you want, okay, that you want to just multiply the two tables. Okay, so just you can do like this: 2 into 1 equal to 2. Okay, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay, 2 into 3 equal to 6. Fine. 2 into 4 equal to 8. Like this. 2 into, let's take one more, 2 into 5 equal to 10. So you can, here you can see that 2 is common for every line. Okay, 2 is common, it is repeating. Same, similar. Okay, similar. See, 2, 2, 2, everywhere is 2. But here you can see that 1 is increasing. It is a pattern following. Okay, here 1, then it become 2, increasing by 1, again it become 3, increasing by 1, again become 4, increasing by 1, again become 5. So they, here you can see that there is one pattern. Okay, so whenever we just use loops, we can also follow the pattern. Okay, we can also follow the pattern. If there will be pattern exists, then it is fine enough. Okay, it is fine enough, we can provide inside our loops. Okay, that logic we can provide inside loops. See, as if you are a electrical student, you can understand this. You have studied signal and systems. Okay, if you are electrical engineer, or if you also know maths, 10 12 maths, then also you can understand actually what I am telling. Okay, see here, I'm just creating one graph. Okay, one graph, so you can see this graph. Okay, so here I can do with this. Let's see. No, it will be bad idea. Wait, I will do with the pencil. So here one pattern is going on. Okay, pattern is going on. So it is a simply a sinusoidal. Okay, if you study math, you can just relate with me that it is a sinusoidal. So it's following one pattern. Okay, so you can see here, what you can see here, that at this point it is 0. Okay, and in the maximum it can be 1. Okay, it can be 1, and minimum it can be -1. So it's following one pattern. Okay, it's following one pattern, and at different times there is a variation. Okay, in which the variation will be between only 1 to -1. So in this we can do codes. Okay, we can build one sine theta calculator, in which if someone wrote any write any frequency or omega, then he will get that value at that. Okay, for example, this is watt. Okay, this is watt, this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. At 90 degree, okay, as we all know, frequency is inversely proportional to time. So let's feel it as a like it is a time. Okay, 90 degree is a time. So at 90 the value will be 1. It is fixed. So here we can provide logics. Okay, at here 180 it will be 0. So here we can also provide logics. Okay, at 180, okay, it's 0. So this is the logic behind it. If someone given you the graph like this, see, if someone given you the graph like this and just tell you find the pattern like this, something, anything like this, so in this we can't find the logics, we can't find the patterns. Okay, it's beyond human. Human needs pattern to solve the problem. Okay, so how it can be possible? So if we want to execute our program and inside loop we want some instructions, okay, some codes, okay, some decision making statements. So it can be possible if there is some pattern to follow. Okay, then we can do this codings. So humans love logics and patterns. Okay, see, your school is here, your school is here, this is your school. Okay, and your home is here, home is here. You want to just go to your school. Okay, you want to go to your school, so there is one path. Okay, there is one path. You can see this path. Okay, this is a path. Wait, this is a path to follow to go to school. Okay, to your school. This is a path. So see here. Let's take this as a 100 meter. Okay, this as a 200 meter. Okay, again let's take this as a 100 meter. Okay, and this as a 50 meter, and this as a 100 meter. Okay, so this is a path. This is a path. Okay, so if you are moving 100 meter, okay, so this is what? North. Okay, this is south, this is east. So you are moving towards east. After that you are taking left. Okay, for 200 meter, again taking right, again taking left for 100 meter, again taking right for 50 meter, and again taking left for 100 meter. So here you just taking some decisions. Okay, you are following some patterns. Here is some logics. So you, for by following this direction, you just went to your school. Okay, so here is the logic, and someone told you to like this, just follow like this. Okay, to go to your school. So you will just get confused because here is no logic, no pattern, no decision making. So here you can't go to your school because you are not following the pattern. So we as a human loves pattern, decision making, okay, and logics. If there is not nothing like that, there is no use of just doing anything because we can't do. Okay, we can't do. If we want to do, we just have to follow the patterns. So why have I explained that much to you? See, there is a reason behind this. Everything is there having a reason. So I just explained you this because some reason. Because when we enter to the code part to see the syntax of for loop, you will get confused because it is new thing for you. Okay, that's why I explained that much before the loops topic start. Okay, so now, after just explaining that much, I think that I explain you two things. The first thing is what? The first thing is that the loops, okay, we can repeat our code, okay, continuously. Till what? Till our work is done. Till what? Till our conditions are become true. That much time the loop will continue. That one thing I have explained you. Second thing I've explained you that in our loop we can also take decisions. We can also provide logics, instructions, statements. Okay, but that statements, that logics, that should be means means following some pattern. Okay, following some pattern. So let's start from while loop. Okay, let's start. Let's enjoy. Let's see the magic while loop. Okay, there I have provided while loop. See, first of all, I will write you the syntax, I will explain you the syntax, and then we will just see what we can do from while loop. Okay, first of all, there is a initialization. Okay, so I am just writing initialization. If my spelling is wrong, you can ignore that. Okay, after that, I am just starting my while loop. Okay, inside my while loop, I am providing the condition. I am providing the condition. See, this is the condition. Okay, in this, I will providing the statement. Statement. I will explain everything. So no need to take tension. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I am free to answer to you. Okay, statement. After that, I will just write. Okay, this initialization update. Fine, update. These things we have to do. See, see, this is a syntax. First I have wrote, write, initialization, okay, while, and here inside condition, okay. After that I have write statement. After that I have write update, okay. So what is the writing in this way only? There is a reason behind this, okay. See, why we are initializing thing, that from some point we will start, okay, at some point we will start. That's why we have provided, that's why the programmer, the creator of Java provided this initialization. From somewhere we want to start, okay, and at some point, okay, at some point we want to just end, okay, and in between these 2 points our work should be done, our work should be done, okay. So that's why this initialization we do, okay. At some point we want to start our initialization. That's why there is initialization. Why this condition is, at some point we want our condition to become false. Why do we want to, sorry, why do we want to make our condition false? It has also some sorry, reasons. That reason is what? See, at this point our work is done. Why? Because this is our starting point and this is our ending point. In between these both points we want to do our work, okay. So at some point we want that our condition become false and this block will not get executed, okay. And in between that our condition, okay, if true, we want that our statement get executed. And why we are updating this? We are updating this to make our condition false, okay. Till now got it what I am telling? Till now get it what I am telling? Okay, see, if our condition become false, then this block will not execute. If the condition become true, this block will execute. Till how much time we want that our block get executed, okay, till what that time we have just expected this much, okay. In between this, that should be executed, okay. After that it may be just get false and our conditions become okay. Wait, I will explain you everything inside the code, then I can explain you in a better way, okay. See, let's come to notepad. I'm opening my notepad, okay. I have installed my JDK in my computer, in my laptop PC, okay. So here you have to, if you want to execute your code, which is must, you should practice your code while writing, then you must have JDK, okay. If you don't have JDK, then wait here, okay, fine. So if you don't have JDK, okay, so you can do one more thing. You can just run your code on online compiler, okay. So here on Google you can search that online Java compiler. From there you can practice small codes, okay. That can be possible. Now come here, see, come here, see here, I'm just typing class, okay. Wait, 24 minutes, 7 views, average view 4 minutes 27 seconds, okay. Concurrent viewers 1, fine, okay. Good. Just make, just increase views, okay. Some view, little less views are there, it should be more, okay. Rest the thing is good. Okay, if you are just viewing, sorry, if you are view my video, just like my video. Okay, like my video, then I can understand that you are watching, or you can also comment to me. Okay, come here, see, just I am writing the first code, okay, for loops. So here we can see this. We are just writing class name. Okay, so let's take the name as while. Okay, loop. This is our class name. Now I'm starting our parenthesis and closing it. Means the class block started and ending. Inside this, I'm writing the main method. Public static void main. Okay, string array str. Inside this, I will just provide my logics. So as I have told you, okay, as I have told you, we can repeat the things. Okay, we can repeat the things. And one more thing will tell you that we can provide the logics. These two things I have explained you. Okay, so the first question is that we want to print hi for the 4 times. Okay, hi, 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 hi for the 5 times. Let's take, we want to print, okay, for the 5 times. So how it can be possible? How it can be possible? With the help of loops. See how I will do it. Come here. See, first of all, I will initialize in I equal to 0. So why you initialized? Okay, and why you provided I name only? Why you take only int only? And why you are initializing with 0 only? That's my question is, okay, why you are doing like this only? I can't understand. Okay, why just didn't understand? Okay, that I will explain you. After that, I am taking while. Okay, inside while I am just writing what the condition I want to print for the 5 times. So the condition will be I less than 5. Okay, inside this I will print the statement system dot out dot println. Okay, I. Okay, not I. We have to print high for the 5 times. High for the 5 times. Now come down. See here. System.out.println high. Okay. Now we will do update. We are just typing here I plus plus. Okay. First going to the compiler for the compilation. After that we will go to the JVM for the execution. Before that I want to make you understand this code. Okay. This code. Let's jump to the let's jump to the paint. Okay, come here. Let's see. Let's understand in the deeper way. Let's become a programmer, developer. Okay, we all want to become developer. So we all are in the race. Okay, here, see here. So the what I have wrote there, Control V. Okay, so this is it. Now, now, first of all, if we are the beginner, we should create one block. Why this block is to to see the change which we'll see in the eye. That's why we have created. Okay, for now the eye is 0. Okay, eye is 0. And come here, see, so the controller, okay, come from top to bottom. So first of all it will initialize it and declare it. So I become 0. So I've just wrote here I 0. Okay, after that the controller will come down to while loop. Now here you see I less than 5. Okay, so what this means? 0 less than 5. So as we all studied relational operator, so we can see here what we can see here. See here that the condition become true. Okay, so whenever we are studying while loop, okay, we want that we are providing condition inside this. Okay, whatever we write there at the output, it should be true or false. At the output it should be true or false. That actually the condition means. So in the computer, in the programming, okay, the condition is what? It has only two things that will become on the output. That the things is things are that true or false. Okay, so here I less than 5. Okay, so here is it will become true. Why? Because 0 is less than 5. Okay, so the condition become true. As I told you, inside condition only two things can come as an outcome. It may be true or it may be false. For now it become true. That's why it will come inside this. Okay, okay, here one this block. So till the condition become true, at that much of time this while loop will repeat. So we can see here now. So as the condition become true, it will come inside the block, and the first line, which is it C, the print statement, it will print high for the first time. Okay, high for the first time. Now see, there is a update. Okay, there is update. There is a update. I plus plus. Now our I become 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. Now our I becomes 0 to 1. Now it will not go down. Okay, first the controller will come to the condition to check. First it will check condition. Okay, then it will do something else. So as we see, I become 1. So now it will check with 1 less than 5. Okay, 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5 is true. Okay, it's true. So again it will go inside the while loop block. Okay, inside while loop block it will see the first statement, which is the print statement. It will print high. It will print high for the second time. After that the I become again increase. Okay, I become 1 to 2. Okay, first it was 0, after that it was become 1, after that it become 2. Why it's happening? Because we are updating the thing. And why we are updating? Because at some point we want our condition to become false. Why we want to become make our condition false? Why? Because our need of printing high is for 5 times. That was the question, that was the module, that was the project. Okay, what was the project? Project is to just print high for the 5 times. That is the need. Okay, that's why we write code like that, that at some point that our condition become false. For now I become 2, then we will see 2 less than 5. Okay, 2 less than 5, the condition become true, then again it will print high. Okay, again it will print high. See, we can see here. Okay, wait, move. Again we will see print high. Again the I increases by 1. What is this? Increment operator. Increment operator, what it do? Increase by 1. Make the variable increase by 1. Okay, so now the 2 become 3. As it become 3, so see here. Again it go to the condition part and it will check for condition. Now it will check for 3 less than 5. Okay, so we can see here the condition become true. Again this block will get executed. Again our high will get printed on the console. Okay, again our I get increased by 1. Now our again it will get increased by 1. So it will become 4. I become 4. After that again it will check the condition 4 less than 5. Okay, again the condition become true. Again the high block will get executed. Okay, high get executed, and again the I become 1. Again we will go to check the condition. Okay, so 5 less than 5. Now the change will happen. What the change will happen? The condition become false here. Okay, here the condition become false. As the condition become false, what will happen? Now it will not enter this block. Okay, now it will not enter this block. So as it will not enter to the block, it will ignore this block, and the controller just bypass this block and go for the next line to get executed. Okay, so at the output we can finally see that high printed for the 5 times. Okay, high printed for the 5 times. So this is the logic behind it. So here what we have seen, We have seen initializations, we have seen condition, we have seen update and the statement. Okay, so we want high to print for the 5 times. That's why we have just provided logics like this in our code. Okay, see, first we will see the output. After that we will do some changes here. Okay, some changes here. Let's see first the output. Control S. Okay, just we have to write here while loop. Okay, so I have just saved this name previously. So we can change while loop to while something like this. Okay, while L. Okay, let's take this name. Control S. Now we will say while L. Okay, dot Java. See, the file name and the class name can be different, but I am taking same for the practice. But because in the further classes we will after means in the further classes it should be the practice to write same, because when we make class public at that time we have to write file name and the class name same. So it should be the practice from the starting. That's why I'm writing file name and the class name as same. And .java means that we are just saving a Java file. The operating system of our computer can understand this, that we are just saving our Java file. That's why. Now I will just save it. Okay. After that, I am going to our that folder in which we have saved our file. So just we have opened it. So what with what name we have saved? While L. So here you can see that there is one byline. So simply go to the top, tap here beside Java code and write here CMD and press enter. Okay. Now you can see that desktop Java code. Okay, we are inside our Java code. Here simply write Java C while L, okay, dot Java for the compilation part. Now we have just entered it, so there is an error. Okay, so first of all come here, just correct this error. It is not colon, it will be semicolon. Control S, again come to the CMD, write here CLS to clear the screen. Now type javac while l.java, then just execute it. Okay, how we can execute Java while L? So here we can see that now our output coming right. Okay, for the high for the 5 times. Now come here, see in the code. In the code, what you can see here, that why you have taken I equal to 0 only. See, I can take also I equal to 5, okay, and I less than 10. It is also possible, but it's difficult for us to understand, okay, from where it is starting, from where it is ending. From zero, from starting 0, it is very easy to understand for us. Okay, it is because of like length. Okay, it is because of length. For example, come here on the paint, see here, I'm just sorry, come here, see this. Okay, and see this. If you have just walked your length for 100 meter, okay, 100 meter, how you can understood this? Because we have started from the 0 meter, okay, so this point become 100 meter. From this we can easily understand that we have walked 100 meter. Okay, if we tell like that, we have started from 50 meter and ended to 150 meter, then we have to subtract it, 150 minus 50 to make it 100. But if we take 0, so from there we can easily understand that we have to walk 100 meter, because the end point become 100, so directly we can say it will be 100 meter. Okay, so come here and see, if we will take I equal to 5 and I less than 10, and we want that high to be printed for the 5 times, okay, so we have to just subtract it, 10 minus 5, okay, it will move for the 5 times. For us it become very difficult to understand. Okay, so that's why we take I equal to 0, okay, and less than 10. Control S, come to CMD, clear the screen, just write here javac while l.java, and here Java while. So here also the answer is coming, but we as a programmer making our code little difficult. Okay, come here on the notepad. Now again I am taking it as 0. Okay, and why you have taken as only y, something else, why not? So you can do like that also. You can take J here. That's nothing like a problem because it is an identifier. An identifier can be anything, whatever you want. Okay, but it's some having some rule. You can't start with numbers. You can't make space between your characters. Okay, that are some rules to follow. Okay, so if you are taking J also, no issue here. No issue. You can just see, high is coming for the 5 times. Okay, wait, I didn't change this I plus plus to J. Just convert it, Control S, come to CMD. Okay, just write CLS to clear the screen, and here javac while l.java, and after that just write java while l. So you can see high for the 5 times. Okay, this is the thing. So I think that I have explained you in a good way. And now if we take j equal to 1, then we can make j less than equal to 5. Again our condition will satisfy and high will print for the 5 times. Clear the screen, just go here by Java. So you can see here high for the 5 times. It's worked. Okay. Okay. Finally, we have understood this. Now, the statement is repeated, okay, so that we have seen. But one more thing I have told to you, that we can provide some logics if we know some patterns, okay. If we know some patterns, we can just provide some logics. So let's change the question. Now I don't want a 5 to get printed, okay. I want to print from 1 to 10, okay. I want that we want to print 1 to 10. This is the question. We want to see on the console that the number should be print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Okay, like this. This is the logic behind. Okay. So how it can be possible? See, we will see directly on the question. First of all, I am going to Google, okay, and saying this, okay. The average view duration is 5 minutes, okay. Views 11, okay. Concurrent viewers 2, 2 are watching me, okay. If you have any doubt, if you okay, you can also write your favorite topic, then I will take that topic also, okay. If you can provide you can provide your favorite topics on the comment box, so I will see that and I will just try to explain that topic also, okay. If you all are just capable of understanding these things very easily, so it's good, okay. But I will just take every topics, okay. I will not skip it, okay. For example, I'm making you understand loops, and you are very good in loops. It's better, but it's good, sorry, it's good, but I want to make everything, means all the I want to cover all the part of Java. So I'm started from the very basics, okay. I've just explained you tokens, features, history of Java, okay, operators, data types. I explained you decision making statements like if else if, ladder, and switch statements. After that, I'm explaining you the loops. Okay, so I'm just explaining every topics of Java. So you may become comfortable in Java because these things should be very much strong. If we skip these topics in the future classes, we will just not understand anything. Okay, that's why I'm taking very much time to make you understand these topics. Fine. After that, I will today we will complete loops. After that, we will start methods. After that, I will start oops. And oops is very much important because after oops only you can tell to yourself that I am a developer. Okay, so it is very much important to make your oops strong. If you find videos on YouTube, okay, about oops, so you see there, okay, what you see there, you will see there that it's means 10 hours of videos, okay, 10 hours of videos completed whole Java. So it's not that good, okay. Take Java wants some time to get understand, so that's why I'm taking time on YouTube, okay, for the free of the cost. You can also enjoy, I will also enjoy by my teaching, okay. That's the reason behind this. Now let's jump to the topic. So we want to just print 1 to 10 for the continuously. So here you can see there is a logic. Okay, 1. After that the 2 will come. After that the 3 will come. So after that, what will come? 4 will come. So we just get to know. Okay, someone told that just print like this: 1, 59, 20, 36, 70, 1500. So it will be not possible because there is no pattern and logic behind this. But if we see what we see, if we have a pattern, we can print repeatedly. Now come here. I am just writing 1. Okay, after 2. After that, you may understood. Okay, the 3 will come, the 4 will come, the 5 will come, the 6 will come. So let's go to the notepad and see that code here. So first of all, I am changing j to I. Not necessary to change. Okay, but I am changing I less than equal to 5. Okay, let's make it I equal to 0, I less than 10. Okay, and we will make this system.out.println high. Okay, not high. Now we will just write system.out.println to what? To I. See, here's the logic, but it will get wrong answer. Why? See, control S. Okay, first clear the screen. Java C while L dot Java, Java L. So here you can see that we are printing 0 to 9. Okay, so it's a wrong answer. Why it's a wrong answer? Because our output should be 1 to 10, and here what we are seeing that it's printing 0 to 9. That's wrong. Okay, so what we can do here, we can provide some logic. So what is the logic is that I plus 1. Now we will doing control S and going to command and go for the printing. Here we can see that java cyll.java and just we will print this. So here we can see 1 to 10. It's working, man. Okay, it's working. So I think that this code you have understood. Why? Because I explained you the previous, but printed high for the 5 times. But here I less than 10. Okay, and I is updating. Okay, it starts printing from 0. Okay, it will start printing from 0. That's why I am adding 1 here. Okay, so you can also write this code in your screen and just execute it and try to understand that how it's working. If you are great in loops, then it's fine. If you are new in loops, so you should try this. Okay, to see here how that it's working, how internally everything is going on. Okay, so we can change something else, like for example, let's write not here, just control C X and write here this print statement. Now that output will become right or not. See here, control S. First of all, write here I. Okay, control S. Come to the CMD, clear the screen. Java C while L dot Java, Java while L. So here, see, our logic become fine. The output is coming. It's your way to provide logics. Okay, every logics are great, but it should be clean and neat and understandable by the others. Okay, what you have wrote the code, write the code. That's why the different ways are fine enough, but it should be neat and clean. Okay, so it's also making our output control CX fine. Again, come here, control B. See what more we can do with this. If we just write here, okay, not here but here, plus I. So it will work or not. Control S, go to the CMD, just clear the screen, java c while Java, and just execute it. It is also working. It is also printing from 1 to 10. It's that's why I'm telling. Lots of logics and patterns are there to follow to make your output right. Okay, so this is also one way to just go for it. Okay, just go for it. So I plus plus is also the right way. Okay, so this thing, it is also be suggested. Okay, control C X, but the my way of writing is this only. Okay, I should write here I plus 1. I am good with writing this way. Okay, so this is all about while loop. If you have any doubt on while loop, you can ask questions, okay, with me. You can ask some questions about while loop. While loop completed. Any doubt? Completed. Any doubt till now? Let's see. I think now you can feel what is actually the loop is. I have just explained the loop in the real time. I explain you the loop, what is actually inside the programming, and the first loop I've explained to you that while loop. Okay, so let's wait for 1 minute. After that, we will study the next topic, that is the for loop. Okay, that is the for loop. When I will complete for and while loop, then you can go for problem solving. That number programs you can do. Okay, you can do number programs. So I am just providing some number programs you can see here. Okay, YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Search here Vishal Vardhan Java. Enter. Okay, when you enter here, just go to Vishal Vardhan. Okay, after that, go to playlist. Okay, after going playlist, go to this. See here, you can solve these problems. I've explained here you everything. Take it. Okay, I've explained you prime number. I've explained you palindrome number. I've explained you Armstrong number. So you can just come here. You can practice codes. Okay, from here. You can practice codes from here. Fine. After completing while and for loop, you can just practice codes. So I will provide here codes every day. Okay, today I provided Armstrong number. Tomorrow I will provide some other codes. Okay, so you can start doing codes after completing this. Okay, because this is simple logics. You can solve some good level of questions when you have a good knowledge inside while and for. So I have explained everything here. After that, you can easily understand how to solve the prime number questions, how to solve the palindrome questions, how to solve Armstrong question. Okay, so with this, your confidence will increase of solving problems of number programming. Okay, so fine. Now we will start for loop. Okay, for loop. For loop start at 1950. Okay, starts at 1950 p.m. What is for loop? 10 p.m. Hello friends. Let's now understand for loop. As we have understood while loop, for now understanding for loop is easy. Okay, so let's understood for loop. Okay, now first remove this, delete this. Okay, now see, first of all I will provide the syntax. I will provide the syntax. Okay, now I am writing the syntax. For int I less than. Okay, so here directly I should first of all init. Okay, this is the initialization. After that condition. Okay, condition. After that we will provide update. Okay, after that I will provide what statement. So you can see here. Fine. So as while loop we have studied in while loop, this is not int, it is initialization. Okay, this is condition. Okay, this is update and separated by semicolons. So as we have studied while loop, in while loop we have seen that initialization is outside the for bracket, while bracket. But in the case of this, in the case of for, everything will be inside for. So that's why we love for more than while. Okay, because the condition, the update and int is all in the same bracket of for. Okay, so come here. First initialization happens, then the condition checked, then the statement will get executed. Okay, then the update will happen. Again that the condition will checked. Again that condition if become true, then the statement will get executed. Again the update will happen. Again the condition will checked. Till how much time? So how much execution will occur? Okay, how much time the execution will get occur? At that time the condition will true, that much time the execution will occur. Okay, that's the thing is, that is very easy. Let's print high for the 5 times and you will understand very easily. As you have understood while loop, that is similar to the for loop. For, okay, now int I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So this is the logic behind this. Now I will print here. First of all, remove this. Okay, one extra bracket is there. System dot out dot println. Now here we can say hi. Okay, hi. Now control S. So we can see that it will execute for the 5 times. First clear the screen. Just compile first, then execute first. Then you can see here hi for the 5 times. Okay, first it get initialized, then it get, the condition is checked, then the statement executed, then the update happens, then the condition checked, then the statement executed, then the condition update part happens, then the conditions checked. Till how much time the execution occur, till we can see that this condition becomes false. Up to that time we have to see, with that time the condition, that time the statement will get executed. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, that's the rule. So we can see here it's very easy. For example, if you want to print 1 to 10, just make I plus 1 and just print it. Control S. Okay, CLS, clear the screen. Java C while L dot Java. Okay, why Java while 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, okay. If you just connected with me now, so you can watch this video from the starting. Okay, so you will understand what the loop is. Okay, what is the while loop is, what is the for loop is, what is the difference between the real life loop and the loop which we are studying in the program, and why we are providing conditions, update part, everything. Everything is provided in the means from the starting of the video. Okay, you can see here. When will it start? It's completed. Now for loop is going on. Okay, for loop is going on. You can see. Okay, just go back and you can see all things. Okay, you can go back and see all things very nicely. I've explained in the next level. Okay, you will not find that level of teaching on YouTube. It is for the first time. Okay, I have explained everything. Loops, how loops work, why we are studying loops. Okay, why there's a need to study loops on YouTube. Oh, sorry, for the programming purpose. Okay, everything I have explained there. I have explained how, what is the uh, syntax of while loop, why we go for while loop. Okay, that's all thing we not. I didn't explain why to go for while loop, but yes, I've explained what is the use of while loop, what is the use of for loop, like that. I didn't differentiate it. Okay, till now. After that, now we have just make you understand for loop. That's the code we are doing. So here what we have done, just clear the screen and I print this. Okay, loop for the 5 times. Okay, sorry, for the 5 times. That thing I have done. Okay, if you want to print from 1 to 10, just make here 10, control S. Okay, clear the screen. Wait, Java C while Java. After that, Java while. Okay. Hmm. So see here. Okay, what to see here? That you can just put your logics and the same result may come. Okay, like how? Let's see here. Any change we can do? Yes, we can do, man. Right here 1, make it equal to 10, less than equal to 10, and just left here as I. Control S. Okay, CLS. Java while. So 1 to 10. It's also working. Okay, fine. Any other thing we can do. So it's your mind, your practice. Okay, it's like a math. Any steps you can put, but the answer, the output should come like that. That is the main thing. Okay. Again, I'm making I 0 and this less than 10. And any other thing we can do. Just remove I plus plus from here. Control C X and write I plus plus here. So we can do like this also. For the first time, I think that your mind just get confused what I'm doing, but we can do like this. CLS, clear the screen, Java, C while dot Java, execute it. See 0 to 10. Wait, it should not like this. Okay, if you studied increment decrement operator, then you can understood. First plus plus should come, then it become 1. And because why we want to make it 1? Because we want to print from 1 to 10. That's why we are doing like this. Clear the screen with CLS, Java C while dot Java and execute it. So here we can see 1 to 10. If we are doing like this, okay, if we are doing like this, then we can make I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, control S. Come to the CMD, clear the screen, do Java C while L dot Java and just do this. Okay, so here you can see here 1 to 10. Okay, fine. So any logic you can provide, but the answer should be 1 to 10. That's the funda is. Okay, and you can create tough questions with this for loop. Okay, tough logics. So actually, in my YouTube channel, I provided what? I provided the playlist of Java ke programs in Hindi. So you can watch this all like prime numbers, palindrome numbers, Armstrong number. More, I will also provide I will provide every day one program questions. So you can practice that question from here. Okay, because here I will take good programming number questions. Okay, so here I am providing very much important concepts. Sorry, providing very good questions here, so you can practice here. Okay, because I am doing only normal questions here to make you understand. Okay, I am trying to make you understand the concepts here only. I am not providing the questions. Okay, good questions of programs, so you can practice that, learn that. Okay, and you can just understood how the internal processing of codes is going on. Okay, so you can learn from there. That's the thing is fine. That's the thing is. So now we have understood how for loop is executing. Now let's go for the do while loop and just complete, and after that just let's complete the session. Okay, just delete this. Now we will understood do while loop. Do while loop. Okay, so what is the syntax of this? Syntax. Okay, syntax is like, okay, do while. Okay, after that the bracket will start close. After that, no, here nothing, only do. Okay, after that the block starts and close. After that we will provide while. Fine, and here we provide the condition. Okay, here we will close it. Why are closing with this? Because this will separate this statement. That's why we are providing this. Okay, now here we will provide the statement. Okay, and here we will provide the initialization. So we will update. So I am writing update. Okay, so this is the funda is. Yeah, here we can provide our initialization. Initialization. Okay, here we can provide our initialization. Okay, it is different from while loop. Okay, what is the difference is that it will 100% sure that it will execute for one time. Okay, even though the condition will false, it will execute at least for the one time. That is the main difference between the do while loop and the while loop. And the syntax is also little different. Okay, here the syntax is little different. Like what? Here first we will doing do operation. Okay, first the do block get execute. After that the condition is there. Okay, while condition is there. So let's jump on the Google Notepad, and let's print while high for the 5 times. Okay, first I will initialize int I equal to what? 0. Here, after that I will provide do. Okay, then the block start and close. Inside this I will provide the statement system dot out dot println. Now here I will just write hi. Okay, hi. After that what? I will just write while. Okay, in the bracket the condition will be I less than. Okay, we are printing for the 5 times, I less than 5. Okay, and just using this semicolon for the separation. Okay, for the separation, control S. Let's go to the CMD and let's check it. First I will write CLS to clear the screen. After that javac while l.java, and after that I will provide java while l. So it's going for the infinity. Okay, simply write control C. Okay, clear the screen, and let's write correct the code. So what is wrong here? We're not doing update. Okay, we should do update. So I will doing here update I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. Now control S, go to the CMD, execute it javac while l.java. So here is one error. Okay, let's convert it to semicolon. Control S, go to C. Like this you should practice. Okay, it's make you perfect. Okay, it's make you perfect. Come here, just write this like this while java high. So you can see here high for the 5 times. Okay, but I told you what I've told you, that it is little different from while loop. Okay, first even though the condition will be wrong, okay, then also for the one time it will get executed. Let's directly make while as false and see the magic. Okay, see the magic. Control S. Okay, now I am going to CMD CLS, clear the screen and just execute it. First compile it, then execute it. See, high for one time, even though the condition is false. But why? Because the controller will come to the do and go for the execution. After the while will get executed. Okay, that's the thing is. So have you understood this? Okay, have you understood this? Okay, if you're watching, then you can like. Okay, you can like. Okay, it will increase my motivation. Okay, you can like my video, comment if any doubt, positive, negative, any type of comment. Okay, you can also subscribe me. Okay, subscribe me. You can share it. Okay, you can share this. All thing you can do. Okay, if you like my videos, you can share with your friends. Okay, so I think that today is sufficient for now. Let's see how much. Okay, it's almost 1.5 hour I taught today. Okay, so you can watch it again if you have any doubt. Okay, and you and also you can comment to me, so I will solve your problem on YouTube. Okay, that's the thing. So I've explained you for loop, while loop. I've explained you do while. Okay, these things I've explained. Now come to here. See, if you will not provide semicolon here and control S and just execute it. Okay, CLS, we will execute here java c, then the error will come. It is here, it is compulsory. Okay, why c here? If we will provide here, then it work as a separator. Okay, then the controller will understood that here the statement get over. Okay, if we will not provide here, then it will get confused. But in the case of while loop, see, while, okay, I am just providing bracket here and making, make it less than 5. Okay, I less than 5 and just execute it. Okay, just write here system dot out dot println. Okay, and just write here hi. Okay, hi. So see here, this is what here the bracket overs, so it is a working like separator. Okay, but here you can also provide semicolon, but not necessary. Okay, it will not make any type of error. Control S. Okay, CLS, just compile it. Okay, after that just execute it. Okay, wait, again I didn't provide the update part. That is a little issue with while, because I have also little bit more practice on for loop, because in the further means in the part of collection or in the part of advanced java I use more for loop. That's why it is in the practice. And inside while loop we have to provide, in the while loop we have to provide, what we have to provide, update explicitly, not explicitly, but sometimes we forget. Okay, I plus plus, control S, go to cmd, clear the screen first, then write java c while java. Okay, and just execute it. So here you can see, not an issue. Okay, not an issue if you provide semicolon here, but no need, because our controller get to know that it is a separator. But in the case of do while, in the case of do while, controller not understand with this bracket, but this semicolon it will understand. That's why we provide here semicolon. Okay, so you should have a practice to write do while loop. Okay, like this. And how it will be get practiced, when you write code by yourself. Okay, then you will get practiced here to write how to write the codes. Now let's come here and let's do some experiments. See, while, and I am putting here one semicolon, so any problem will be there. Let's check. Control S. Okay, just clear the screen. Just write here java c while l dot java, java while l. So see, okay, see here what happened to it. Control C, no issue of compile time error. Okay, no issue of compile time error. But it's actually executing infinite times. Okay, infinite times. Till how much time it get executed means, see, actually what is there, here is one like this, but we can't see. Okay, we can't see. Here is one block, but we can't see, and inside this block it is executing for the infinity times. Okay, the loop is executing for the infinity times. Because, see, why? I will prove you. See, let's take the condition of for loop. Fine, for loop. See here, for int I equal to 0, I less than, okay, let's take 10, I plus plus. And here inside the block, I will not provide block now, for now. Okay, I am just writing system dot out, okay, dot println. Inside this I will write hi. Then our hi will print for the 10 times. Control S, here CLS. Java C while Java, while.java. See, so here you can see that hi printed for the 10 times. Why it's happening? See, this is happening because that our bracket, okay, by default the compiler says that even though you didn't provide bracket for the first statement of while or for or if, we will make it as that it is inside the bracket. Okay, only the first statement. Let's take one more. Okay, let's take one more statement and see this. Wait, एक second. By control S, CLS, Java C while one Java, okay, while L. So here see, high printed for the 10 times and one by. So it is considered inside the for loop, but this is not. Okay, this is as normal statement. Okay, but this is the statement for the for. Okay, so when we just provide this internally, compiler provide like this, and this can execute for the what? This can be executed for the infinity time. That's the thing is. Okay, so finally we will wind up our class for now. I think that you understood everything that I have taught to you, teach to you. Okay, in the next class we will go for the methods. After that we will go to the initial oops, all everyone's favorite oops. Okay, from the depth. Fine. Okay, I think that let's now end the stream. Bye bye.